going then today?
Cabo Roig.
Cabo Roig. Oh yeah, I remember this.
If Mick recommends it, then they must do.
Mick says it's good, we believe him.
Yeah, well we have been. Do you remember last time we came?
Yeah, I do. I do. Was it locked, Mick? What's crack?
Plan B.
Plan B, Mick?
Yeah, Plan B. Yeah.
Corner there, where I think it's
But beer at Bushwhacker then.
Did they do breakfast there?
No beer.
I am quite peckish now.
Yeah.
I'd rather have a brekkie before.
It's not bear o'clock yet for me.
No, no.
What are you going to get?
What, are you getting did you say you were getting a small one? I'm getting a big one. Right.
No, I'll get a medium one.
They don't have a bit small or large.
Small, $4.95.
Good. Yeah, well.
Feed them till first.
Thank you.
I'm getting preferential treatment.
Yeah,
Yeah, you'll be the
Shut this.
I'll never eat on it. It's a cool little gadget.
Yeah. yeah.
The
Is
camera.
it a camera?
Yeah, it's a 360 camera.
You're famous.
Right.
Yeah.
Famous.
Do you have a look?
Yeah, go on, let's have a little look.
It films everything.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Down.
Oh, wow.
And also, that's a tripod for them, you can't see it. It's like invisible.
Oh, that's brilliant.
And you can go, do lots of strange effects with it. It's a bit manic.
Is it expensive?
I think they're about 360 quid or something like that.
Brilliant technology.
Yeah.
Can you bring us another cup of tea, please?
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, it certainly catches folks' attention, doesn't it? What's that?
Ampler this year.
Lovely, thank you.
Yeah,
Would you take a picture of us all,
yeah,
please?
of course I can.
Oh, that's a good idea.
There we go.
We in? Are we in?
Yeah, are we in?
Yeah. Yeah, take one so I get the tree in.
Oh, yes.
Right. Yeah.
Professional photographer.
Oh,
wow.
Don't miss that.
That's my vocation in life.
Lovely, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good view.
It's a great view, isn't it?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
And look what we can see from here. Look, we can see La Manga in the distance over there. Can you see La Manga Strip?
All these lovely flowers, wild flowers, aren't there? Oh, where are you taking us? Deep in the forest. See steps. Watch out for ticks. Yeah. One behind us. Don't leave you behind. Come on, Mick, you can do it.
I can, my niece can.
Right, so what day is it today?
It's Friday, 29th of April.
Friday 29th of April. We came on the 23rd of April. We're out with our with Yvonne's sister and husband, Lynn and Mick. We had a bit of a problem with the bathroom this morning, but I won't say any more about that. We've only got one bathroom in our property.
So 4 people,
So,
it's a bit
bit of a scramble. Anyway, we went to Cabo Roig this morning.
yeah, had some breakfast.
Had a nice breakfast in Cabo Roig. And
Then a pint.
Lynn and Mick have got a problem with their suitcase.
One of them, mixed suitcase.
I don't know what happened, but there was a nasty accident coming out of the car and the wheels broke. It's a right big suitcase, and it's not a small one. It's a big one. So we've come to Zenia Boulevard, and at the moment they're in this shop here.
It's coming out now.
They're just coming out now, look, fancy that. And have they bought a suitcase? Let's just ask them. Have a good time, then, won't it? Did you get one?
No, but there's one there that fits the bill.
Really? Ah,
If we don't see another one.
It's not quite as big as we wanted, but it's bigger than mine,
so how much is it?
60.
60, that's not bad,
Yeah,
is it?
no, it's
And
not
it's,
too bad.
it matches the carry forward.
And
Yeah.
it's 2 wheels.
And it's got 2
Oh,
wheels.
right.
Two wheels, and they're both attached to the case.
They're both present and correct.
Yeah,
And they go round.
they go around, yeah.
good.
They're not square.
But to be honest, we didn't use the expanded one. We just
Not Flintstones case.
if we don't see them,
You don't have to drag it.
we're back for that.
Ah, pink, hey, so you that, make pink. Luggage problem solved. Oh, the new case, yeah. My apologies. Turbo case. Yeah. Plenty of room. Cheeky.
That's it. The breakfast and service at Yolo was fantastic. We had a nice look round Cabo Roig and Lynn and Mick got their suitcase sorted out.
So on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Adios.
Bye.